Hello and welcome to our channel. Imagine waking up with skin that glows like a sunrise, without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial skincare products. Today, we're going to explore a natural, ancient secret that's making a comeback in the skincare world: beef tallow. Tallow has been used for centuries, not just for cooking, but also for its incredible benefits on the skin. Let's dive into this fascinating world and discover why tallow is becoming a favorite among those seeking natural beauty solutions. So what exactly is tallow? Simply put, tallow is rendered beef fat. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamins, making it a perfect natural moisturizer. But what makes it so special for skincare? The answer lies in its composition. Tallow is remarkably similar to human sebum, which is the natural oil produced by our skin. This similarity allows tallow to blend seamlessly with our skin's natural barrier, providing hydration without clogging pores. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using tallow on your skin. First, it's incredibly moisturizing. Tallow locks in hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Second, it contains conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce redness and irritation, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Lastly, tallow is rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, which support skin health and barrier function. These vitamins help protect your skin from environmental stressors and promote a healthy glow. Now, let's get hands-on. Making your own tallow balm at home is easier than you think. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Start with 1/2 cup of grass-fed beef tallow. The quality of the tallow matters, so look for grass-fed options. Add 1/8 cup of liquid oils like rosehip or walnut oil. These oils enhance the moisturizing properties and add a touch of luxury. If you want to give your balm a pleasant scent, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oils. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Now let's mix everything together. Simply melt the tallow in a double boiler or in a microwave-safe bowl in short increments, stirring between each heating. Once melted, add the liquid oils and essential oils if using. Stir well and pour into small jars or tin containers. Let it cool and solidify before use. Like any skincare product, tallow has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it's natural, non-comedogenic, and rich in nutrients. However, it can be heavy for oily skin types, so it's best to use it sparingly or mix it with lighter oils. Another important factor is the quality of the tallow. Look for grass-fed organic options to ensure you're getting the best benefits. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from people who've seen real results with tallow skincare. From calming eczema to reducing fine lines, the testimonials are compelling. Many have reported a significant improvement in skin texture and hydration, with some even noticing a reduction in acne. Tallow offers a natural, effective way to nourish your skin. Whether you're looking for a moisturizer, a balm for dry skin, or just a healthier alternative to commercial products, tallow is definitely worth considering. For more skincare tips and to explore high-quality tallow products, visit roguebuffalo.com. Don't forget to check out our other sites, bisoneer.com and bisonbliss.com, for more natural beauty solutions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.